So you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrency. Maybe you've heard the success stories, seen the hype, or you're just curious about how to get started with a small amount of money. Whatever brought you here, you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to talk about one of the most important things that rarely gets mentioned. The biggest mistakes beginners make when starting with crypto and how you can avoid them completely. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of the traps to steer clear of, how to create your own crypto roadmap, and how to invest confidently even if you're just starting with a few dollars. Let's begin with the single most common misstep almost every beginner makes, and why it can derail your progress before it even starts. They start with the wrong mindset. One of the biggest things beginners miss is that investing in crypto isn't just about understanding the coins or the tech. It starts with your mindset and how you approach the entire journey. Many people come into crypto chasing fast profits. They hear stories of someone flipping $100 into $10,000 and they want the same results. But what they don't see are the years of experience and risk behind those numbers. If you want to succeed in crypto, you need to approach it with patience, curiosity, and a focus on the long term. That's what separates successful investors from those who burn out fast. Many beginners enter the world of cryptocurrency without having a clear understanding of their personal reason or long-term objective for investing, which often leads to impulsive decisions and inconsistent strategies that undermine their progress. This is a big one. Most beginners never stop to think about why they're getting into crypto in the first place, and that leads to scattered decisions and missed opportunities. Are you investing to build wealth over time, protect against inflation, experiment with emerging tech, or diversify your savings? You need to get clear on your goals. When you know your reason, every decision you make will feel more intentional, and you'll stay grounded when markets get volatile or your portfolio fluctuates. Far too many beginners overlook the essential foundational knowledge required to truly understand how cryptocurrency works, instead getting swept up in hype-driven trends and flashy coin promotions that promise quick gains but often result in costly mistakes and confusion. A huge mistake investors often make is skipping the fundamentals entirely, getting pulled into meme coins, NFTs, or DeFi projects without first understanding how blockchain technology actually works. You don't need to be an expert developer or coder, but you do need to learn the building blocks, like what makes Bitcoin valuable, how Ethereum smart contracts work, or how to send crypto securely. Understanding the basics will give you confidence, help you spot scams faster, and reduce the risk of losing money on hype-driven decisions that don't align with your goals. Leaving crypto assets on exchanges is a common mistake that exposes investors to unnecessary risks instead of ensuring proper security and control. This is one of the most overlooked risks for beginners. After buying their first coins, most people leave them on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. But this is not the safest place for your funds. Crypto exchanges can be hacked or go offline without warning. And if that happens, your coins could disappear overnight with no recovery options. To truly own your crypto, you need to use a wallet where you hold the private keys. Start with a free software wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. And when you're ready, move to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. It sounds smart to buy low and sell high, but in practice, most beginners do the opposite. They buy when prices are rising out of fear of missing out, then panic sell during dips. That's why seasoned investors use a method called dollar cost averaging, where you invest the same amount of money regularly, regardless of price, to smooth out your entries. Whether it's $20 a week or $100 a month, this strategy takes emotion out of your decisions and is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. Failing to track crypto investments properly often leads to confusion, emotional decision-making, and missed opportunities for smarter long-term growth. If you can't answer how much you've invested, what your average buy-in price is, or what your goals are for each coin, then you're not investing, you're guessing. Use a spreadsheet or an app like CoinStats or CoinMarketCap to track your portfolio, log every buy, note why you made it, and revisit your plan often to stay focused. Having visibility over your portfolio will help you make smart decisions, reduce emotional trades, and give you peace of mind when markets fluctuate. Relying on random advice from online sources without verifying facts often leads to impulsive decisions that damage investment outcomes. YouTube, TikTok, and social media are full of crypto content, but not all of it is reliable, and many beginners follow influencers without doing their own research. Before you buy anything, ask questions like, what problem does this coin solve? Who is on the team? Is there real utility? And is the community active and growing? Treat crypto like a business, not a lottery ticket, and the quality of your results will change dramatically when you rely on facts instead of hype. Without a clear plan or exit strategy, investors often react emotionally to market swings and make costly, avoidable mistakes. Crypto is known for volatility. Your portfolio might swing 20% in a single week, and without a clear plan, you'll find yourself reacting emotionally to every move. Set long-term goals, define when you will take profits, and understand what success looks like for each investment. That's how professionals approach the market. Even a simple plan beats no plan. So write down your target prices, your time horizon, and your risk level before you buy. Failing to invest in proper education leaves new investors vulnerable to scams, poor decisions, and missed long-term opportunities for growth. Here's the truth most people ignore. Your biggest asset in crypto isn't your coins, it's your knowledge. And the more you know, the less risk you'll take. Instead of jumping into random coins, invest in resources that teach you how the space works, because knowledge compounds faster than any coin ever could. The people who win in this space aren't the loudest or the flashiest, they're the most informed, and they stay in the game long enough to win. The smartest way to avoid these common mistakes is by following a clear, proven roadmap built on education and strategy. You're already doing it by watching this video, and that tells me something important about you. You're committed to doing things the smart way. But if you want to avoid years of trial and error, I highly recommend checking out the Intelligent Cryptocurrency program. This course is designed specifically for beginners who want to build real crypto portfolios without the confusion, the hype, or the guesswork. You'll learn exactly how to buy your first crypto, how to secure it properly, how to build a strategy based on your goals, and how to avoid the traps that most people fall into. It's created by a crypto expert who's been in the industry since 2015 and has helped thousands of people across the world get started with confidence. And the best part is, it comes with a 60-day risk-free guarantee, so you can go through the entire course, test it out, apply what you learn, and if it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No risk, no pressure, just a real opportunity to get started the smart way. Click the link in the description now and join the Intelligent Cryptocurrency program. Then come back and thank yourself a year from now.